all you're gonna do is put a cap lid of the all-purpose, the purple cleaner, the purple magic, into 1 gallon of water, into a pump sprayer, right? Right, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, let it sit for about 5 minutes, we'll say. Right, and you can add a little more. And I'll spray this whole ceiling, and by the time I'm done, I'll be able to start scraping that side, right? And if it's a little dry, I can add a little more, right? See, look how beautiful it turns out. It's so easy. And this was a painted ceiling, just like in the hallway. And you know, like painted it just takes a little bit more oomph, you know, and a little bit more water, but it works beautiful. And the cleanup, like, look, no dust at all. It's beautiful, right? So I got this entire, almost main floor done this morning, so. But yeah, like look how clean it comes out. It's gorgeous, right? Like when you scrape it dry, oh man, what a mess. But yeah, look at that, it's beautiful.